What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use audio track feature on YouTube. So what you simply need to do is, once you're on a video, you just simply need to go over to the top right corner and tap on the three dots there. And for audio track, you can see it's currently in English. We're going to tap away, tap to play the video.
Spike cortisol when you're stressed.
Bone broth.
This is definitely 9 out of 10. Collagen amino acids.
And so we're going to pause it and go back to the top right corner, tap on the three dots there, and then tap on audio track and say change it to French. And now we've changed it to French. Watch what happens.
Vos articulations, vos articulations, c'est génial.
Jus vert du commerce.
2 sur 10, zéro fibré du fructose pur, ce qui fait grimper votre...
And that is how you can use the audio track. The audio track feature helps you to change the language to a preferred language real time. So you can go over to the options and select the language that applies to you, and then you get to use the audio track feature on YouTube.